Kia ora talofa, my name is Latoya Virginia Sasatapania, also known as LaCoco. I'm an R&B soul singer-songwriter from Ngāti Kahu and Ngāruahine, but also Papa Sataua and Sava'i over in Samoa. And you're watching Matariki Te Ara Hou. Well, I know that my people, we connect to land, water and sea, so everything with nature. And Matariki is part of that, so we can make connections with it. Now, as a Māori artist, there are themes that I get from Matariki itself. So these themes are like direction, navigation, light, energy, power, growth, new beginnings, all of these things. As far as my knowledge takes me, those are the words that come into connection with Matariki for me. Those are the same themes I use in my music. And I think it's very common knowledge. They use those stars to navigate through the waters. They navigate through seasons, when to grow stuff, when to move things, or when things flourish a bit more. Using those themes are what helps me navigate through my feelings and emotions as an artist. If I didn't have those themes, if I didn't have that direction, I would be a mess. I believe Matariki should be celebrated because it acknowledges, respects our indigenous culture here, and its appreciation for each other. Isn't that what makes the world colourful and makes the world go round?
With every breath I inhale with, take you for granted, yes I do. Take from you, yes I do. Whatever and whenever I feel is good. When all you want is to spend some time. As soon as I realize I'll break down and cry.
My mother was my first teacher of creativity. What people think, oh, that won't work, it'll work. For me, I will make it work, and I'll make it cool. Like, that's the kind of attitude I have, and that's what my mother has as well in terms of her creativity. I've seen her and watched her many days following like a needle through a thread, just creating something out of nothing. And I like doing that. Give me a blank canvas, boom. Other than having been nominated in these awards the past 2-3 years, Māori and Pacific Island awards, I think achievement is being able to do what I do and represent my family. To be able to say my last name and that I'm half Samoan, half Māori, and be like, because this is my offering. I mean, I'm a representation of that, of these people. Being able to heal through the music is an achievement. Oh, man, artists go through so much and we take on so much on board. Yeah, it's a release, and I love and we can just journey together. Knowing that I'm not alone through my music is an amazing journey in itself. I feel as an artist, you need to put yourself out there, let go of who you are, let go of yourself and your thoughts. My thoughts are so loud sometimes and they hinder me. I mean, they stop me from doing certain things, but do it. It's going to work. You just let it out there. Things will work one way or another, but you just gotta trust in yourself and your art and your craft.
I know I ain't been the most